Alright, good morning. Welcome to GSL Energy Solar. This is one of our wonderful exhibitions where we are inviting you to come up to the future. We as GSL Energy, we are lighting up the world, making enormous trends into the world. We've got a couple of conferences that are coming up. Our next port of call is going to be Egypt, Poland, Philippines, and Kenya, my brothers. Come out in full force as we come in, as we want to introduce you to our product. So I'm going to take you up close to what we have as GSL Energy. Right next to me here is one of our fully packed battery powers that basically uses condensified, liquidified materials that can help you, give you lighting solutions for your home and energy needs. And at any given time you have any questions, please feel free to reach out onto our website. We have distributors around the world, in Mexico, in South Africa, in Europe. We got you covered, and our product basically is one that is pushing for green sustainability energy solutions. I also want to introduce you to what we are doing in the future. We got your back. If you are planning on moving into the future of electric vehicles, we've got your accessories. Simply easy to put right up onto your car. We know that they are competitors, but we lead and the rest follow. So what we have got is we are holding the future for you, creating new green energy solutions. All you need to do is just to trust us and believe us and try our products, bringing you wonderful inverters that are simple and easy to lift, take you around the world, where basically they give you more convenient power solutions that will lighten up your house, your business, and allowing you to expand. And not only just that, we have all various solutions, especially when it comes to battery solutions, stacked up batteries. So if I was you, and if I was asking, whichever part of the world you are, you might be in Philippines, Magadan, Gabi, you might be in the Latin America, como stars, and you might be anywhere in the world. All we are saying is GSL Energy is hello, welcome to Green Energy Solution. Look out onto our website for more products. Thank you and have a lovely day. My name is Matt.